What's good, everybody? It's your girl Rissy, and today I have a special treat. While I was store dashing, I got hungry and I decided I want Carl's Jr. And I decided to go ahead and get the Raptor Burger, the Beyond Raptor Burger. I told them that I wanted it to come on buns, but yet they still gave it to me on fucking lettuce. So this to me looks stupid as shit. It's supposed to come with zucchini. Hold on, let me see. So I didn't get any zucchini bites. So they did me hella dirty. I'm gonna take a bite though, and then I'm gonna go back to the line. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a snack. But I need to finish that, so we'll be back. Alrighty, y'all, so little update. I am currently in the drive-thru line to get this fixed. I really want to hurry up because I'm not gonna lie, it tasted so good. I damn near don't even need the bun. This shit was actually pretty damn delicious. Damn, it's hot, and your girl ain't got no AC. I mean, I kind of do, kind of don't. Let me turn with a little bit of air conditioning I do have on. Very, very light, very light. Okay, you know what? You can't even feel it. I'm just gonna turn it off. I ain't finna run this shit. Y'all, it's so hot. I wonder if they're just gonna give me like 2 burgers. Oh, that would be the plug. The super plug. Oh, shit. Alright, y'all. I'm back. So instead of giving me a whole new sandwich, they just gave me some zucchini bites with no dressing. Yay! Just piping hot zucchini bites. Okay, well, whatever. Beggars can't be choosers, right? I'm gonna fuck this up. I could have been a dick, but honestly, I'm hella hungry, and yeah. So, here it is. This is a little lack of sauce. But, like I said, so far, it tastes cool. The sauce is supposed to drench the fucking zucchini. So this probably won't even taste the same. Honestly, but whatever. Alright. But dry. Just dry. Damn. Bro, cover your fucking mouth. That's hella nasty. Oh, God. That zucchini was hot, child. Hella hot. It's not the most amazing thing. Mediocre at best. But at least the leaves weren't like hella wet, you know? Straight up plants. That's fire. That sauce is hella good, y'all. Butter. Child, it's so hot. It's supposed to be like 106 today. Oh no. I should have still asked for the bun. But it's a cool little experience, you know. I usually hate Swiss cheese, but this one was cool. Herbosaurus. What do they call them? Herbivore? That's me. Herbivore Rissy. Ah! Fuck. That was hella hot. Still good though. Ah, fuck. Maybe it's a good thing that I'm having this on the side, technically, because if I would have bit into some piping hot zucchini, ooh, I am biting into it. And I'm just like, ooh. It's so hot, my mascara melting. Okay. Overall, I give it like a 7. I do. It's a good burger. Granted, no dipping sauce, but he's still okay. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. I'm gonna try to be smart and use the sauce. Next time I go, I'll ask for extra sauce. Ooh, it's hot. So hot, it got my boogers going. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Hot. Ooh. Gonna crack it open instead of biting it open. Ooh. Ooh, let all that heat escape, child. Ooh. Yeah. Hot. Hella good, but hella hot. Well, y'all, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh, let me know what y'all thought of this video. You feel me? Hit the bell button. always get a notification. Ooh. That tasted a little off-putting. Bon appetit. Oh, it's hot as fuck. Yeah, I'm out. Bye.